Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best stainless steel grapefruit knives on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best stainless steel grapefruit knives. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. If you're reading this right now, one thing is certain about you or your family members love eating grapefruits. Unfortunately, most people don't know that eating grapefruit is more of an art. The fruit's complex design, intrinsic to all the citrus fruits, requires you to arm yourself with specialized tools, knife and spoon, to section it perfectly. In this article, we'll focus on the grapefruit knife. We have researched the market for a highly dependable knife that helps you nicely slice and section your grapefruit to make it easy for you to eat. Number 1. Sulim 8541969176 Grapefruit Knife. Each grapefruit spoon is 6.5 inches long while the knife measures 7.5 inches long. And both items come serrated, making the set quite handy for preparing your grapefruit. With the serrated edges on the knife as well as the spoons, you'll have an easy time cutting through the citrus membrane, allowing you to dig out the entire fruit with ease. This makes it easier for you to eat your favorite fruit. The knife comes in a wood handle, feels balanced, and is incredibly easy to hold and use. Both types of items are easy to use for both left-handed and right-handed users. The knife also has good sharpness for easy slicing the sections and cutting the center core of this fruit. Though an inexpensive set, the items are constructed from high-quality stainless steel, which is similar to a high-quality Westhoff knife. They feel solid and will serve you for longer periods than the poorly constructed models. If you want good value for money, this set is a highly viable option for you. Highlighted features. Set contains 2 spoons and 1 knife. Serrated spoons for easy scooping. Easily adaptable for right and left-handed users. High-quality stainless steel construction. Serrated grapefruit knife with wood handle. Number 2. Better Houseware 406 Grapefruit Knife. This is also among the top-rated inexpensive grapefruit knives that cut the round fruit nicely so you can enjoy eating it easily like never before. It is well designed and ready to use and works perfectly for cutting out sections of your grapefruit and comes with just the right pricing for this type of knife. You'll like that this knife comes with a curved design to enable it to easily separate the fruit fresh from the skin. It is serrated on both sides and comes with just the right amount of sharpness to get the job done, not too sharp to cut through the delicate fruit fresh and cause splashing. You don't need them to be so sharp. After all, you are not cutting walleyes with this knife. It also comes with a substantial handle that makes it feel well balanced in your hand and easy to use. You can use it in your right or left hands comfortably. As for the sturdiness, this knife is well made and feels quite sturdy, and will serve you through countless grapefruits. Overall, this is one of the best knives you'll ever own for grapefruit cutting, as it's well made, sharp, easy to use, and comfortable in your hands. You can even order several of these and gift them to your grapefruit-eating family members. Highlighted features. Double serrated stainless steel blade. Comfortable, ergonomically designed nylon handle. Curved knife tip for easy scooping. Dishwasher safe. Number 3. Rada Cutlery R130 Grapefruit Knife. This Rada Cutlery knife is also a great tool for the task. The knife is proudly made in USA using high-quality material for high dependability and extended lifespan. USA-made knives are the best in the market. It does everything you expect of it and makes the seemingly hard task of sectioning grapefruits look easy for you. The micro-serrated Rada knife is incredibly sharp and will cut through your grapefruits like it's warm butter. It features a pointed and angled tip for easy scooping. It is also double-edged, making it just the right tool for cutting the grapefruits. It separated the fruit flesh from the skin and then sections it into smaller pieces that you'll enjoy eating. You'll be pleased with how comfortable the aluminum handle feels. It is completely sealed to help block out contaminants, unlike wooden handle which tends to harbor bacteria. The beautiful solid brushed handle finish gives it good looks. Overall, the knife feels extremely sturdy. Remember, it's made in the USA, and not flimsy like those cheaply made knives. The cost is pretty reasonable if you weigh it against all the features and quality you get from this knife. Highlighted features. Made in USA Grapefruit Knife. Surgical quality high carbon stainless steel blade. Hand sharpened blade. Super sharp dual serrated edges. Solid brushed aluminum handle. Hand washing recommended. Number 4. Fox Run 6603 Grapefruit Knife. The Fox Run dual-ended grapefruit knife comes ready to make a world of difference in how you cut your grapefruit. When used correctly, this fantastic tool will let you quickly dissect your grapefruit into easy-to-eat sections. This specialized grapefruit knife has a straight double-edged blade that's super sharp, enabling you to cut both sides of the fruit membrane at the same time, giving it an edge over the standard single-edged knives. It also features a slightly curved end to help you hassle-freely cut the segments of the grapefruit off its rind without causing them to squirt all over and leaving a mess. The blade is approximate 4 inches, making it the perfect size for cutting small as well as large grapefruits with ultimate ease. With the texturing on the plastic handle, this knife is easy to grip and offers you a more secure grip, even when using it in wet conditions. Despite the low pricing, this knife also feels sturdy and will help you prepare your grapefruits for eating for many, many years. If you're looking for a curved knife, sections the grapefruits nicely, and is easy on your wallet, this knife is a good choice for you. Highlighted features. 4-inch stainless steel blade. Dual-ended, micro-serrated blade. Durable plastic handle. Slightly bent knife for easy use. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 5. Triangle Germany Grapefruit Knife. The best grapefruit knife on our list is the Triangle's micro-serrated blade knife, proudly made in Solingen, Germany. This German steel knife comes with a pro-grade blade, a well-balanced handle, and a lightweight feel. It works wonderfully when it comes to slicing your favorite citrus fruit for easy eating. You'll appreciate having this specialized knife because it easily cuts your grapefruit sections without squirting. It boasts a professional-grade serrated knife that's specially made to expertly curve the delicate citrus fruits without damaging the soft flesh or splashing. It also comes with a sturdy, lightweight, and well-balanced polypropylene handle which offers you more precise control while allowing for simple maneuvering. And the contoured shape ensures a secure and firm grip. We also like how easily the knife cleans. The handle is seamlessly attached to the knife for easy cleaning. And it is dishwasher safe, so you can put it in there without worries about ruining the handle. But for maximum longevity, we suggest hand washing your grapefruit knife. Highlighted features. Made in Solingen, City of Blades, Germany. Premium high carbon stainless steel blade. Hand-sharpened micro-serrated edge. Durable polypropylene handle 100% dishwasher safe. Final verdict. Eating grapefruit can be hard due to its natural design, but this doesn't mean you can't eat it. You just need to get a grapefruit knife specially made to cut and section the round fruit with ease. We have already presented you with up 10 of these top-rated knives currently available on the market today. Compare them closely and choose the best grapefruit knife for you that makes eating grapefruits easy for you and your loved ones.